Mah Sing Plastic has been 40 years in manufacturing of our own product. Our brand is MS. We have pallet, we have container, boxes, furniture. Monitor ERP already have 4,000 manufacturers. They are so focused on manufacturing. So our process is just one of the manufacturers. We are just one of the manufacturers. Monitor ERP is setting up their regional office in Penang and also in KL. This is a very good move because we believe they will give us a better service.
They are very good in introducing the system in details. So the comparison before and after the system, what monitor system can help us in dealing with our daily issue and production or any problem in production that we're facing. And the system also has a very good platform that follow the correct workflow that we can correct our current process, which is manual, to a better way or perfect way in doing the manufacturing process.
We have been seeing that Monitor ERP keep updating their software and also updating the new features, and the customer have some feedback on some improvement they will cater for inside. We are going to set up our smart factory. We regard Monitor ERP is one of the pioneers who work with a lot of Europe companies for the smart factory. This will in line with Mah Sing's direction. We're partnering with Monitor ERP. Mah Sing Plastic will be faster achieve our dream of smart factory.